This person made $13,068.16. Another person made $5,438.38. And this is by posting videos on TikTok. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create Reddit stories style videos by using only your phone. That will make you thousands of dollars each month. First, go on creepypasta.com and we're going to find a horror story. You can choose any story that you want, but try to choose one that's more recent and has a high rating. And we're going to choose the one that says play stupid games, win stupid prizes. It has an average rating of 8.27 and it was posted on October 29, which is fairly recent. And this story is 27 minutes long, which is a good thing because you can make multiple videos. So we're going to copy a section of the story and then go back to ChatGPT, and then we're going to tell them to tell the story in a first-person narrator and leave out unnecessary details and focus on the entire story. And then we're going to paste the section of the story that we copied from the website Creepypasta. And then we're going to do the same thing for the next section of the story. And we now have our script from ChatGPT. We then want to add a Reddit clear box that we can add in our video so we can add our title of the story. All you need to do is cover the text using a white marker, and you can find this when you edit your picture in your photo gallery. Then go on CapCut and click on New Project and click on the video that you want to use. Then click on Overlay and add Overlay. And as our overlay, we're going to add this picture that we edited in our photo gallery. Then click on Text and add text. And we're going to add the title of our story that we chose, Play Stupid Games, Win Stupid Prizes. And then we're going to change the style of the text to Gotham, but you can choose any style font that you like. And then we're going to change the color of the text from white to black. And then we're going to copy the section that we got from ChatGPT in our video. Keep in mind that CapCut has a set number of words that you can add in the text box, so you have to keep each section separately. Then we're going to convert the text to speech or voice and select the voice that you want, but in this video we're going to just choose male scientist. Then we're going to do the same thing for all of the sections that we have in our video. The next step is very important. We're going to screen record the entire video on CapCut, and that's because we're going to use the sound of the screen recording to create auto captions on CapCut on our video. And then click on audio, then extract, then choose the screen recording of the video. Then your video is going to have the sound of the screen recording of your video. Then click on auto captions and click on the font that you want to use. And we're going to choose the second one because it displays each word by itself. And here we have our results. Now for the text, make sure to keep it in the center and make the text bigger so it can be more engaging to your audience and they can keep watching. Also, if you see any gaps between each text, make sure to just drag it so they can stick together, and that way they won't have any space between them. Then click on Overlay and add Overlay. Now we're going to add some pictures for a couple of words in our video. And so for affection, we put a big red heart. This way your viewers will be more engaged and watch the entire video. We're also going to do the same thing for the word proposed. Also, don't forget to mute all of the sounds from text to speech and keep the sound that has the screen recording of the video that we extracted the sound from. And before exporting the video, make sure to keep your frame rate to 60 and code rate to high. And before posting it on TikTok, make sure you put the horror music that you want and keep it to a low sound so your viewers can hear the entire story. And here's our final video that we created using CapCut.